Hello everyone! If you're planning to color your hair or anyone's hair at home, today in this video I'm gonna show you what do you need before you start coloring your hair. You need a cape, but it should be waterproof cape to protect your clothes underneath and your skin. You need a brush or comb to detangle your hair. Comb your hair properly and detangle it before start applying the color. You need a bowl to put the color and the peroxide for mixture. You need a tube of color, or some color comes in a liquid, it doesn't matter, but the amount up to your length of hair and thickness of your hair, how much color you need. You need some peroxide, again depend on what you need to do for coloring. You can have it 30 volume, you can have it 20 volume, 10 volume, depend on what you're looking for. You need a brush for apply the color. You need a mixer to mix the color and peroxide together. And at the end, you need a timer to set the time, which is very important. When you prepared all of this and you get ready to color your hair, please watch my next video to show you how you can color your hair. Thank you for watching in this video.